Alright, y'all. So I'm doing beef chimichangas today. So I'm gonna go ahead and turn my heat to about an 8. I have about 2 pounds of ground meat, because I know I have a house full. I have a big family. I'm going to go ahead and start mashing this meat so it can be grounded all up.
Is it hot?
No, not yet. It's gonna get there.
You mean you didn't have them warm it?
It'll be alright. It's gonna heat up.
Alright.
Don't patronize me.
Hey y'all, I'm hungry today.
Yeah. So get that meat good and hot and done. These chimichangas are so good and they're easy to make. You can make chimichangas any way you want to, basically. You can put whatever you want to. And we pass me a little plate. Y'all know I'm always forgetting something. I try to be ready.
I think I am pretty much honorary Hispanic, because that's my favorite food, pretty much. I can eat Mexican, my favorite Mexican food. I gotta say that right, because I don't like, no, it's not nothing that I don't like. It's the Chinese food that I have a problem with.
Well, I like Chinese, I like Mexican. You can't hardly miss me unless it's just something that I
don't eat all the Chinese, that's what it is.
I don't eat all Chinese either though. I really don't eat the meat. I eat the rice, noodles.
You
I really
get more out of it than I will.
The crab puffs, I do like that.
Sweet and sour chicken.
I really don't even eat that.
Some kind of chicken which you can get anywhere else. That's what I'm saying. When I go, I'm ordering stuff that you can get pretty much anywhere, because most of it is just chicken nuggets with syrup on it.
Mm-hmm. And ground your meat up while it's cooking so you don't get any, big hunks.
Sorry y'all, I threw it off a little bit.
Just a little bit, not much. And I also have another pan over here because once you wrap your chimichangas, you're gonna fry them. Some people bake them, some people fry. I'm gonna fry mine. And just let that cook a little bit and we'll be right back. Alright y'all, so the meat is halfway done. So now what I want to do is add a half a cup of diced onion. Add that in there and let that cook. And once the onion is softened, then we'll add our other spices. Like I said, these are really easy to make, so just let that cook some. And I have my heat almost on high. It's like an 8.5. Get that good. Big chunk right there. And I didn't just dice my onions really small. I'm gonna dice them up good enough. I guess like a heavy dice, if you want to call it that. Alright, we'll let that cook down and we'll return. Be right back. Alright, so the onions are softened, so now I want to go ahead and do is add 1 tablespoon of garlic. Just minced garlic. You can cut up your fresh garlic if you want to. I didn't do that this time. Add the garlic in there and let that cook. We'll just mix it all up. Then I want to add a teaspoon of chili powder. And then a half a teaspoon of cumin. Half a teaspoon of onion powder. And I'm going to add some oregano. teaspoon of oregano. Also gonna add about a handful of salt. And about a handful of pepper too. And just mix that up really good. Smells so good already. Mix those ingredients up. And you can kind of taste your food. If it has enough salt in it, that's fine. If it doesn't have enough, then add a little bit more to your liking. Okay. And I'm gonna also add a little bit of Greek seasoning. Just a little bit. Sprinkle that on there. I just added a little bit of something extra. You don't have to add that if you don't want to. I'm going to turn the heat down to about 5. Now I want to add a can of refried beans. Put that in there real good. Just get that mixed up really good. Like I said, taste your food to see if it's seasoned good enough for you. Okay. All right. And also, like I said, I have a skillet up here, which is Leroy. I'm gonna go ahead and get him good and hot. And once he's hot, we'll go ahead and fill our tortillas. And I shall return. Okay, so now what we're going to do, I believe my grease is hot enough. I hear Leroy sizzling. Just going to add your mixture to your burrito. Put it down just a little bit. Add some cheese. And you just want to roll it. Roll it once. Fold it over. And roll it again. Keep rolling. Uh-oh, that came apart, but it'll be okay. Take a toothpick and just stick it in there to kind of hold it. Because when you fry it, you don't want it to come apart. And we'll do one more. That look alright. So we'll set that. I need one more plate, please. And we'll do one more.
Prop man, coming right up.
I just need one plate.
You sure?
Just set that there. And we'll do another one. This time I won't fill it up with that much meat. Not a whole lot. I think I added a little bit too much. We'll do it like that. Add some cheese. Roll it. Fold it in. And roll it some more. There we go. See? Okay. And then stick your toothpick in it. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and add, and be careful not to burn yourself, chimichanga. I'll do it like this so I can be careful. And you want it to cook maybe about 2-3 minutes on each side. Just let that fry for a few minutes. And I can tell because it's already getting brown. I'm gonna go ahead and flip this over. Oh yeah. See, it's already cooking, so that's hot.
Leroy don't be playing.
So done. Just let that cook. basically what you want to do is just let the tortilla fry. Because your meat is already cooked on the inside, so you basically just want to let that fry. And be careful because you don't want it to burn and burn easily. So it's not going to even be about 2-3 minutes. Maybe about a minute, if that long. Plus I just turned the fire down some anyway. Oh, don't do that. Almost lost some of my burrito, my chimichangas.
Got a few kids be upset.
Yeah. Go ahead and flip that. Flip this one too. And you get that nice hard tortilla. Flip it on that side. You can flip it if you want it a little bit darker, however you want to cook it. Okay, take these out. It's ready. Yeah. But it does not take long for these to cook, you guys. Not long at all. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and get these fried up, and I'm gonna wrap up some more chimichangas, and I'll be back. All right, I'm ready to go. All right, y'all. So the beef chimichangas are done. All I did was make some Mexican rice to go along with it. And also, I just garnished it with some salsa, guacamole, sour cream. I cut up some tomatoes and put a little parsley on it. But there you have it. I hope you guys can see that. And of course, you know, the family's hungry, so we don't eat. All right, I want to thank y'all. Like, subscribe, share, and until next time on What We Eating. Bye.
Thumbs up.
Yep, thumbs up. I said like.
Peace.
Ain't that a thumbs up? See, he trying to patronize me. I'm not gonna let it happen. I'm gonna go on and eat. It's gonna be my plate, not his.